channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my top 5 DIY videos of 2019. It was a really good year for me. I started consistently posting videos onto YouTube and I saw a huge growth in my channel. I started at just under 100 subscribers and recently just hit 20,000, which to some of you may not seem like a lot, but for me that was a huge accomplishment. So for all of you that have subscribed, liked, shared, and commented on my videos, I truly do appreciate all of the support that you've been giving me, and I'm so excited to start making new content for all of you in the year 2020. With all of that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into my top 5 DIY videos of 2019. For video number 5, it was a DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor video, and it was actually the first Christmas DIY video that I posted for 2019. I made some really cute mini wooden block ornaments using the Tumbling Tower game blocks from Dollar Tree, and I also made a really pretty decorative Christmas jar in that video. I loved how both of those DIYs turned out, and they were really fun to create. Video number 4 was also a DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor video. I used some more of those Tumbling Tower game block pieces to create a wooden mini Christmas tree. It was a little time consuming to make, but I really loved the end result of how that one turned out. I also created Season's Greetings hanging tags, but my favorite piece from that video was the buffalo plaid wooden hanging ornament. I loved how everything came together on that one, and I know that I'm going to be using that piece for years to come. Video number 3 was a DIY farmhouse decor video that I posted back in July. It was actually one of the first videos that did really well on my channel. I did 2 projects. I made an orb out of 3-inch mini embroidery hoops with a floral arrangement inside. And then I also took one of the unfinished faux window frames with chicken wire from Hobby Lobby, and I ended up just painting and distressing that, but you guys really seem to love both of those projects. I loved making both of those projects, and I still use the window frame with all of my everyday decor. Video number 2 was my DIY Dollar Tree pumpkin transformation video, and I think that this one is probably my favorite from 2019. I did 3 different projects. I used some of those really popular foam pumpkins and I covered them with Mod Podge and then used some of the leftover fabric that I had laying around to just glue them around the pumpkin. The second project I did in that video, I used another one of those foam pumpkins. I painted it, cut out the top, and then put in a floral arrangement. And then the third project from that video is I took those mini foam pumpkins, I painted them into the colors that fit with my decor, and then I added a little bit of dimension with paint just to make the pumpkins look a little bit more realistic. You guys really seemed to enjoy that video. I loved making it. I loved all of the projects that came out of that video, and I know that I'm still going to be using those same pieces next year with my fall decor. And for video number 1, my top video for 2019 and also my top video ever here on my channel is a Dollar Tree Farmhouse Decor DIY. This video was my first one to ever reach 100,000 views, and that was just huge for me. I did 2 projects. I used some of those really popular Dollar Tree bottles. I painted them a few different colors to make them look nice and distressed, and then added some cotton stems. And then the second project I did in this video were pedestal frames. I used some of the glass candlestick holders and then attached frames to the top of them, painted them all one color, and that was it. Both of the DIYs were really easy and inexpensive to do, and I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed making it. And those are my top 5 DIY videos of 2019. Thank you so much to everyone who's watched and liked those videos, and also everyone who has subscribed and supported me this past year. I am so excited to start making new content for you for the new year. If you guys are not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching.